Hello Valpo, I'm BUTV meteorologist Matt Stoughton here with a forecast for our Friday, February 7th, and a forecast for the upcoming weekend. We have two main stories to talk about. We have a chance of snow, light snow, coming in tomorrow, and then the cold weather is still going to stick around northern Indiana and not leave anytime soon. But before we get into those two things, let's look at a big picture of the United States. The eastern two-thirds are going to be mainly dry today. We're going to keep our eyes out on the west coast. We see a lot of energy coming off the Pacific, what's also known as the Pineapple Express, bringing in a lot of moisture into the central and northern valleys of California and Oregon, and bringing some mountain snow into the Sierra Nevadas. Now also, I want to take a look at two low pressure systems. We have one in LA and then one in Oregon. These two over tonight and tomorrow are going to be tracking eastward. We're going to get the northern one, so that's going to bring us some light snow as this model starts to predict. But the southern one is going to bring possibly some moderate to heavy rain down in Florida and South Carolina and Georgia. Now let's take a look at the cold. Over the next few days, we're going to be bouncing between 0 as our lows and 20s for our highs. We're not going to actually get as cold up as our friends up in Minnesota, but we are still going to be cold nonetheless. And this is going to be the main pattern over the next few days. We're not going to have any warm up anytime soon. Now let's take a look at the snow that's going to be coming in. So tomorrow about midday, we have light snow moving in. You can see the lighter blues in the area. It swings on by, maybe a possibility of 1 to 2 inches for us. But if you travel along the South Shore to Holland and Grand Rapids, you can see a little bit more snow as the lake enhances the system for them. So today we have a high of 12 degrees with increasing clouds, winds out of the west. And then tonight a low of -1 degrees, and we still have the clouds in the area. And it's tomorrow when we can actually see the snow moving in around noon, 1 to 2 inches for the Valpo area, winds out of the west at 15 miles per hour. If we take a look at the rest of the week, we have the snow tomorrow, but then after that we get into a much more stable pattern with sunny skies most of the week with high passing clouds. It is still going to be cold, highs just below 20 most of the week, and the winds are also going to be a factor on most of those days, so the wind chill will be also be something to keep in mind. I'm BUTV meteorologist Matt Stoughton. Valpo, stay warm. Thanks for watching.